Hey guys, today welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a 360 flared gown, floor length. Now normally this is our Ankara 6 years, but due to the fact that this Ankara has length of 45 inches, but the length of my client is 60, so I'm going to manipulate it to give me the required length I want. So I'm going to be sharing this fabric now into two pieces each. Okay, so I'll go ahead and cut it and show us. Thank you. So guys, this is two years each, 1 2 3. So one of them I'm going to share into two, like not straight. I'll just fold it this way and share it into two this way. Okay, so I'll go ahead and share it this way so that I'll be able to join it to the two years, which means what I'll have is 22.5 inches joined with the 45 inches length to give us 67 inches for each fabric. Now okay, let me go ahead and do that. Okay guys, I'm done joining it. As you can see, you cannot see it. I went ahead to press the seam line open. You hardly see where I joined it because I was very mindful of the print. Okay, so we now have 2 yards and 67 inches by length. 2 yards 67 inches by length. So let's make this. Let's fold this in triangular form. You see how I picked it? I'll go ahead and arrange it. So I'm going ahead to fold it into two in a triangular form. Now I'll start my markings. So I went ahead with my pattern paper to mark out the shoulder line, the neckline. This is 3 inches by 3 inches. The shoulder line is 18 divided by 2 is 9. This is 9, 3 by 3. Then this is the armhole and this is the chest line. So because this fabric, this dress will not be off shoulder, I'm cutting it together with the neckline because it will be a torso neck, just like some call it a collar. It will have collar on the neck. Assuming it is off shoulder, I will subtract whatever I want to have as off shoulder off, then get my length. But since I'll be having it with my neckline, I went ahead to draft this. Okay, so I'll be placing it over there. Once I place it, I'll now be able to have my gown length. All right, our length is there's an error somewhere. So the gown length is 60. This is my 60. It took all 60. this is 60, but I'll be adding like 1 inch for the M line. I want to bring the camera closer. So from that point here, the shoulder line to here is our 60 inches. Then I added half inches allowance for the M line. You can add 1 inch depending, or you can just do English weaving, whichever one you want. Then here, over here now, this is my half-inch allowance for joining of the arm for the sleeve. Here is for the shoulder because it will have front and back. So I'll go ahead and draft this as well. The same thing for the back. Just that here now have 3 inches for the neckline, neck depth. But for the back, I'll be having just 1 inch like this for the back. So that's just the difference. I'll go ahead and draft the back and show us. Then I'll go over to the sewing machine and join them. Okay guys, this is, I've gone ahead to draft the back. So this is the front, which is the 3 inches and the half-inch neck seam allowance. Then this is the back inch with the half-inch seam allowance. But because this collar will not be having opening at the front, rather at the back, I went ahead to draw 4 inches. I went ahead to open a 4 inches line at the back, so that when the collar goes from the front and stops at the back, the person can easily open it and the head will pass through easily. Okay, so that's it. The length and everything is the same thing. I'll go ahead and cut here and join it. Then I'll draft the collar. I'll make a separate video for the collar. If you want to see how the collar is drafted and joined, you can watch my next video for that. Alright, thanks. Let me go ahead and join it. Okay guys, I'm done joining the hand. What we have now is the collar. It's an already made collar. So you look for the center here. Make sure it is at the center.